How to redeem BloxStrike codes in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure that you are signed in to your Roblox account. Now, tap on the search bar on top of your screen and you will see the option for BloxStrike. So go ahead and tap on the BloxStrike game you see there and then wait for the game to load and further go ahead and play the game. Make sure that you will have to reach at least level 5 in order to be eligible for code redemption. Now, once you are eligible for code redemption, you will be able to redeem the code. So stay on the main menu and you will then be required to find the codes text box on the left side. So tap on the codes text box on the left side of your screen and then go ahead and enter a working code. Once you enter the code, simply tap on the redeem button you see there, and once you tap on the redeem button, just in case if the code is incorrect, your code will not be redeemed, but however, if the code that you entered is correct, then you will be able to redeem the code successfully. So this was about how you can redeem BloxStrike codes in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.